Hello students, in this video I am discuss about the negative feedback system. So let's get started. To understand the negative feedback system, so let's take an example of the blood pressure. Blood pressure. Okay, blood pressure means a control condition. The control condition is a blood pressure controlled condition. If the control condition is increases or decreases in our body to disturb the homeostasis, by stimulus. Okay, to disrupt the homeostasis by stimulus. Disrupt homeostasis. Okay, so what is the blood pressure? So this is the blood vessels, and within the blood vessels blood is flow. Okay, and then how much blood exerted a force on the walls of the blood vessels is called as the blood pressure. If blood pressure is increases in our body, so heart rate is increases, heart rate and heartbeat is a faster, and next is the blood vessels is constricted. Blood vessels is constricted. Okay, so if the blood pressure is increases in our body to disrupt the homeostasis, and then blood vessels are constricted and the heart rate is increases. Okay, so there are some receptors to sense the blood pressure is increases. Okay, so baroreceptors are the receptors to sense the blood pressure if blood pressure is increases in our body. So baroreceptors are the pressure sensitive nerve cell. Pressure sensitive nerve cell to sense the pressure if the pressure is increases. Okay, and these baroreceptors are present in the blood vessel. These baroreceptors are present within the blood vessels. Okay, and then the blood pressure is increases in our body, they sense the baroreceptor, and then baroreceptors send the information through the nerve impulses to the control center. What is the control center? Is a brain. Okay, brain interpret these informations. Blood pressure is increases in our body, then control center means brain send the information to the effector through the nerve impulses. Okay, so in the previous video I am discuss about that what is effector. Effectors, the organs and the tissues behave like a effector. So in these effectors is the heart, and next is the blood vessel. Okay, so heart rate is increases, so heart rate is decreases, and next is the blood vessels is dilate. Okay, and then these conditions are happening, so then blood pressure is decreases. If the blood pressure is decreases in our body, so these informations back to the control conditions, stop this mechanism because blood pressure is decreases and normal homeostasis is maintained, so this mechanism is stopped. Okay, so this is the negative feedback system. Negative feedback system. Okay, this is the negative feedback systems, and in the negative feedback system, any control condition, if the control condition is increases, the outcome is decreases. Okay, if the blood pressure is increases, the outcome is the blood pressure is decreases. If body temperature is decreases, so outcome is the body temperature is increases. The reverse the control condition. Okay, so this is the negative feedback system. Okay, so revise the negative feedback systems again. So what is the negative feedback system? Negative feedback system is reverse a change in the control condition. Any control condition, if control condition is increases, the outcome is a decreases. Okay, so to understand the negative feedback system, so take an example of the blood pressure. Okay, so if the blood pressure is increases in our body, so heartbeat faster or harder and blood vessels are constricted. Okay, so blood pressure is increases to disturb the homeostasis by stimulus. There are many factors to affect the blood pressures. Okay, so there are unhealthy diets, tobacco taking person and diabetes. Okay, so there are many reasons. So what is the blood pressure? Blood pressure means that the force exerted by the blood as it presses against the walls of the blood vessels is called the blood pressure. Okay, so then blood pressure is increases to sense the receptor. So there are baroreceptors. Okay, so baroreceptors are present in the blood vessels, and these baroreceptors are pressure sensitive nerve cells to detect the higher pressure when the pressure is increases. Okay, so then the baroreceptors send the information to the control center, means brain, through the nerve impulses to increase the blood pressure. Then control center brain interpret these informations to increase the blood pressure. Then brain send the informations to the effector through the nerve impulses. Okay, so in these effectors are the heart and the blood vessels. Okay, so organ and the tissues behave like a effector. So in the effectors are the heart and the blood vessels. And what is responses? So heart rate is decreases and the dilation widen of the blood vessels. Okay, so then if the heart rate is decreases and dilation of the blood vessels, blood pressure is decreases. Okay, then blood pressure is decreases, homeostasis is maintained. So these response back to the control conditions, negative sign, return to homeostasis when the response bring blood pressure back to the normal. Okay, if normal condition is maintained, homeostasis is maintained, stop this mechanism. Okay, so this is the negative feedback system. That is for today. Thank you so much.